Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss 18-wheeler truck accident insurance. An 18-wheeler accident may happen the same way a regular crash does. Due to an rear end, a side wave, or even a head-on collisions. Since 18-wheeler accident insurance claims are rare after often serve and complex, they are handled quite differently than car accident claims. The trucking company's insurance provider will spend and adjust and analyze the detail of accident, look at police report, and determine the settlement to offer the victim. An 18-wheeler accident insurance claim works. When a semi, also known as an 18-wheeler or tractor trailer, is involved and responsible for an accident, the when you will need to report the accident to your insurance provider, a lawsuit and legal actions are commonly needed to recover full compensation. This is one of the possible route to you to take, but it's not always the best to get all the compensation you are legally entitled. Finding a damages claim. When recovery damages follows an 18-wheeler accident, Gautier comparative negligence comes into play, called OGA. More than 50% at risk will not be able to respond damages. Additionally, damages awarded will be reduced by the percentage that you are found at fault for. However, accident lawyer can help. A truck lawyer like Mike Ray comes to the scene of accident to provide on investigation into the details, documents, locations. Accidentally, Mike will through research driver, the truck company, and other involved parties to provide an historical or current evidence that helps prove the negligence of other parties. Very experience in major truck accident cases, the Mike Truff is trusted truck accident lawyer in Atlanta area that helps victims recover every bit of compensation they deserve. Common damages after an 18-wheeler accident: lost wages or future wages, medical bills and expensive property damages, and including the vehicles and personal possessions. Non-economic damages such as pain and suffering. Can gather the evidence you need to win the settlement you deserve. He has a comprehensive understanding of truck accident rules and regulations, common truck driver error, and how 18-wheeler accident cases work. If you have been injured by another party and need from today, free compensation, please contact at this number. To find a best accident lawyer against 18-wheeler accident insurance, it is one of the possible route to take, but not always the best route to take the compensation you are legally. This was our video about 18-wheeler accident insurance claim. If you like, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. after liking this video.